first method, click to start, then click to setting, run Windows update. So if it is coming like error and showing any update, so first guys download and install it. Okay, second close. Download graphic card. First check the status of driver manager, then right click to device manager, then extract display driver and right click to update automatically, and then close it. Next guys, download the graphic card driver. So which graphic card are you using? So open any browser. You can enter the model number of your graphic card, otherwise you can just type AMD graphic card driver. First click download for the Windows, then click. You can see this is downloading. Suppose your NVIDIA. This is online offline setup. It's just when completed your then yes. Now you can see the detect your hardware and install to require driver. Okay. Next, hi guys. Created a restore point or automatically created a restore point. How to restore? So click to start and type restore, create restore point, create restore point to click. You can type point, otherwise you create restore. So what is, then click to system restore, then next select this date, and you can check here to show all auto and manual. This is type. Okay, then next and finish, and this is asking for the restart, and then click it.